Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to customize the desktop. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's open the apps icon. From the following view, let's open desktop customization right here. All right, here you can use a few interesting things. You can change the custom desktop theme. It could be default, it could be healing. Let's see how healing looks like. This is the healing. You can set up also the Girly theme. See how it looks. Or go back to the default one. Alright, you can change the widgets. So this is the clock widget. You can use this one with the cat. You can change the music widget. It could be, for example, with the radio. You can also set up the personalized label. You've got a few options to choose. Or you can go back to the default theme and read with widgets by tapping Restore Default Theme Widgets. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.